Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Now if you are a seafood lover, you are going to love today's recipe, I'm sure. We are going to make Dakshin fried fish with curry leaf podi. Now curry leaf podi is a very flavorful one which can be served with idlis, dosas, but also used in cooking and frying purposes. Like if you marinate your fish prawns with this and fry, they really taste super delicious. So today we are going to fry fish fillet. I have selected Barramundi fish, which is very good for frying because it has got a firm flesh. It's known as Bhetki in India. It's actually a native to Australia, but it is gaining popularity all over the world now. So let's go and prepare this Dakshin fried fish with curry leaf podi. And curry leaf podi, I have already posted the video. You can check out in the I button. I'm posting the link there. You can make the podi first and then try out this fish with that. Let's proceed. Here is the homemade curry leaf podi. I've already posted the video, you can check it out. It's very flavorful, made with roasted curry leaves, spices and lentils. So you can prepare it and then use it for frying the fish or any seafood. It goes very well. So now here I've taken Barramundi fish, which is also known as sea bass, and in India we call it Bhetki. I've taken 500 grams, 4 large pieces. This fish is very nice and firm. It has got a firm flesh, so it's very suitable for frying and grilling. Now the curry leaf podi already has some salt. Keeping that in mind, you just season it with little salt and black pepper. I'm not using any red chili powder for this as it changes the color. Now season it on the other side as well. If you like it spicy, maybe you can use some green chili paste. Now this is done. Now we'll coat it with the podi. I'm taking about 4 teaspoons of podi. Break the lumps. Now coat the fish slices liberally with it. This podi is really very flavorful. I love it with my idlis and dosas also, and ghee rice. It tastes awesome. So it's multi-purpose podi. We can use it for frying and grilling purposes also. Cover it with a cling film and refrigerate it. Keep it aside at least for 2 hours so that the flavors incorporate into the fish. Now we are going to pan fry the fish. Heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Place the fish slices on it. Turning them frequently, fry them on both sides. Fish doesn't take a very long time. It gets done very fast. 3 to 4 times you flip it and it should be done in 5 to 7 minutes. Now this Barramundi fish is supposed to be a native of Australia. The name literally means river fish with large scales. Now this fish is gaining popularity in other parts of the world too. It's also known as giant perch, and in India we call it Bhetki. So you must give it a try. It doesn't have too many bones also, so it's perfect for grilling and frying. The fish is nearly getting done. The aroma is so tempting. Here the fish is ready to be served. Dish it out and serve it with your meals. It makes a great accompaniment with dal chawal. This is Andhra style dal made with raw mango. Since raw mango is in season, I've already posted this recipe. You can check out. I'm sharing the link in the I button and description box. So friends, do try out this fish and enjoy it. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out also in case you have missed watching any. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.